up, guys? It's Adrian with AC Designs Garage. I want to show you a cool little thing we found out the other day. We got some of this new welding wire that we use for like our rust repair. Now here's the item number and stuff on it. It's called Spool Arc Easy Grind. This stuff is awesome. We've been using it for a couple months now, putting quarter panels in. And I'm going to show you how easy it grinds almost as good as TIG welds do. I mean, it's amazing. I got a little bracket over here I cut off a little short that I'm going to have to add about an 1/8 inch to the top side up here. So I'll show you that real quick. Alright guys, I'm going to show you with a file. Now we're going to do it with the air grinders and roll locks and stuff, but I'm going to show you with a file how easy this is. I mean, with no more effort than that, it's already taking it off pretty good. It grinds down quick. I'm not sure on the strength as for like structural if you was doing any suspension work, but we use it for all our sheet metal repair and stuff like that, or brackets where we need to add up and we just grind it down. But if you get a chance, guys, give this stuff a try. Like I said, I'm gonna link it in the description in the video, and I got an affiliate account with Amazon, and kind of helps the channel out a little bit. Don't cost you guys anything, but let me know in the comments you guys getting this stuff and see how you like it. We'll get this ground down. I'll show you how good it finishes up. I mean, look how quick it takes it down. I'm really amazed how fast it sands this stuff down. I mean, it's almost as good as the TIG weld, and we've hammered it like putting 2 quarters together. I'll show you over here on this 60 we're working on. This is the 60 Impala we're working on right now. We've got it tacked together, and man, you can just come through here and hammer it, and it's nice and slick. We got part of the new quarter put on, but tell you guys, I am super impressed. I would highly suggest. Now this stuff's not cheap. I think it's around 90 some bucks, $89 or something for 11-pound spool, but all we're going to use it for is the sheet metal panels and rust repair, stuff like that. I think you'd like it. Our welding shop turned us on to it. They was telling us about all the body shop guys around here like to use it because you can hammer it, it don't crack, and it grinds down easy, and actually saves you money in the long run because you're not chewing up your grinding disc as bad. Because if you've done much of this wire welding and stuff on these body panels, you can tell that stuff just gets so hard and it chews up grinding wheels. I'll show you what the bracket I'm making is going to. It's halfway finished. This is the 68 Camaro we're building for a buddy of ours. I'm doing a throttle return spring bracket. It's going to go here. We're going to have a brake right here and fold down, and then the spring's going to come down and hook like this. And then where it breaks right here and goes down, it's going to have a set screw to keep it from wanting to clock like that right there. It's like I'm going to add just a little. This is the reason I was building it up. You see this little place here. I'm going to have to add about another 1/16 to it right there. But yeah, guys, I was just wanting to show you guys this wire and stuff and see if this will help you out some. I mean, it seems to work good for us, cut our time down a lot on grinding and, like I said, the grinding wheels. But I'm going to link it down in the description below, and hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope this helps you out. God bless. We gone.